Hi again guys, in this video I'll show you payment proof from with URL Shortener. Let's go to the channel, URL Shortener reviews. Here, for those of you who are watching my video for first time, this is a channel where I'm posting payment proofs for payment proofs posted into URL Shortener.com shortenerreviews.com forum. So go there, register and start posting your payments. And each weekend when I have free time I will make video about your payment and post it in this channel. And in the video description I'll include your referral link, so when people watch the video and register from your link, you can win some referral earnings. That's it, that's the procedure. Now in your right corner in this video, as in every YouTube video, you see a subscribe button here. Hit it to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for future videos. Now let's go to the forum from here, shortenerreviews.com forum. You can register from this button. The registration is very quick. So we go to with payment from 6th of April, yes, here. This is my payment with URL Shortener, is very trusted. You can use it without any problems. This is my withdrawal page. 6th of April for like $15. This is the unique of my Bitcoin address. And this is the transaction details. 6th of April, the unique of Bitcoin address for about $15. More info about the shortener you can read here, or go to the previous post of mine where I made really nice review of the shortener because it's very professional. He has a lot of tools for you, and the admin is watching further to add another features and make it easier for you to read your statistics and of course earn a lot with him. Register from the link down below in this video. This is my referral link. Register to with URL Shortener from there to support me. Bye, and let's go to the next shortener.